3 exercises to improve mindfulness. Mindfulness means knowing your own mind, knowing your own thoughts, and being in touch with and in control of your emotions. This in turn makes you less likely to feel stress and anxiety, and better able to focus when you want to get work done. The problem is that many of us lack mindfulness, as we live in a time when we are constantly being distracted by different thoughts and interruptions. We carry devices that are constantly ringing and buzzing, and everywhere we look, there are ads flashing and moving and trying to get our attention. In light of all this, what are some ways you can improve your mindfulness? 1. Meditate. The most obvious way to boost your mindfulness is to practice meditation. Specifically, mindfulness meditation. This is the practice of sitting quietly and reflecting on your own thoughts in a way that keeps you detached from their emotional content. You'll learn to not only focus better when you need to, but also to understand the contents of your own mind so that you can avoid letting them dictate how you feel at any given time. 2. Count the number of times you sit down and get up. We are so distracted throughout the day that we can struggle to keep any idea or thought in our mind for long. To demonstrate this, try this simple exercise at home. Tomorrow, try to count every single time you either sit down or stand up. This seems easy, but the fact is that you will be likely to consistently forget to do it, as you'll be so distracted by other things. Work on it, though, and you'll eventually learn to introduce new thoughts and to be mindful of what's going on around you. Pro tip: if you struggle with this, try wearing a bracelet on one hand. This will remind you to be mindful each time you see it. 3. Tune into your senses. Every now and then, it can be a powerful exercise to simply become more aware of your senses. There is so much around you that you don't see, so have a look around and see if there is anything interesting you missed. Likewise, listen and see if there are sounds in the faint distance that you would otherwise have missed. Even be aware of your body and where it is in space. How is your weight distributed? Is there any breeze at all? 3 powerful reasons you should meditate. Everyone should meditate. It is that simple. Meditation is something that can benefit everyone, and with more and more research demonstrating just how profound its effects are, this is something that is becoming increasingly difficult to ignore. In this presentation, we'll be looking at 3 incredibly powerful reasons that you should take up meditation and make it a part of your routine. 1. Meditation makes you smarter. Studies show that meditation can literally make you smarter and increase your score on IQ tests. There are many reasons for this, but one of the most likely is that it works via increasing working memory and concentration. In other words, this can enhance your ability to focus on one thing, and that, in turn, has been linked with our ability to keep information stored while we work on other tasks. This can help you carry numbers across when you're doing math, to know where other players might be on the field while playing sports, and to keep in mind all the subjects you've covered in conversation. In brain scans, meditation has been shown to encourage greater cortical thickness, meaning that your brain literally gets heavier and thicker in the most important areas. 2. Meditation helps you control your emotions. Also highly important is the fact that meditation can make you more emotionally stable. This is demonstrated in studies, and it makes logical sense when you consider that meditation can allow you to shut out stressful thoughts and to find a place of calm. Meditation makes us significantly less stressed on a daily basis, which is incredibly good for our general health, and which can improve our performance and our ability to thrive under pressure. What's more is that if you appear to have greater control over your emotions and to be unflappable, then people will respect you more and be more likely to follow your leadership and your advice. 3. Meditation gives you discipline. But perhaps best of all is that meditation makes you more disciplined and better able to choose what you want to focus on. This means you can accomplish more, work faster, and even perform better in athletic pursuits. Once you unlock that self-discipline, you can take back control over your own behavior and stop being dictated to by your feelings and whims. If that's not enough reason to meditate, then I don't know what is. 3 reasons knowing your purpose can change everything. Do you know what your life's purpose is? Most of us can't honestly say we do, unless we've made a concerted effort to do some soul-searching and to discover precisely what it is. And this is something that you should definitely invest time into. In this presentation, you'll discover why it's so important to know what your life's purpose is and how it can change everything for you. 1. You stop worrying about what other people think. One of the things that cause the greatest amount of stress and unhappiness for a lot of people is constantly worrying about what others think of them. We worry if we're popular, if we're cool, and if we're being judged by our friends and acquaintances. But when you know what you want from life, then you know what is important to you. And when you know what's important to you, you start to worry less about the opinions of others. After all, if your life's purpose is to make incredible music, then why would you care if someone calls you short? If your life's purpose is to spend time with your family, then who cares what anyone else thinks? This mentality can make you bulletproof, and that is an inspiring way to be. 2. You become more charismatic. Believe it or not, knowing your life's purpose makes you more charismatic and more magnetic. We've already seen how it helps with worrying less about what others think, and that will immediately make you seem cooler and more interesting. When someone isn't trying to impress us, our natural inclination is to try and impress them. Moreover, though, speaking about something that you are passionate about will make you more engaging as you start to speak and gesticulate with your entire body, and your body language becomes congruent with what you're saying. Research shows that this is what makes someone inspiring and impressive when they speak. 3. You are more likely to get what you want. Knowing your life's purpose means knowing what you want from life. And when you know what you want from life, well, then you are much more likely to get it. Without knowing your life's purpose, it is like you are setting out on a journey without knowing the destination. How can you know the best way to get there? And without that, what are the chances you'll end up somewhere you want to be?